Hi everyone, welcome back to our personal portfolio web application build with Laravel. The starting point of our video is the result of our previous video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that in the description down below. On the end of this video, you will be able to display our education from database and show it in this table. So let's get started. The first thing we need is to create the root get handle get request /admin/ educations with education controller. In education controller, create a function called index, and then the root name will be admin.educations.index. Alright, we haven't created this education controller, so let's create it by open the terminal and run php artisan make controller and add the name of our controller called education controller located in admin folder. Alright, our controller has been created. Let's go back in our web.php file and import this controller. Alright, now we are going to create our index function in our education controller. So let's go in our education controller. Over here, create a function called index, which will return the view from admin.educations folder called index. We haven't created this index view, so let's create it by going on admin, create a folder called educations. In education folder, create a file called index.blade.php file. Within extend layout admin.base and add a session content with title hello. Now when we visit admin.educations, we see we are on the education page with hello message. Now we are going to add our design template from Fabric on templates on backend in education. Copy this content and go back in our education folder in index.blade.php file. Remove this title and add this. Alright, as you can see, we finished to add the templates. Now we are going to work around. Create a model. Migration and seeders. So read open the terminal and run php artisan make model and add the name of our model called education with -m for migration. Alright, our model and the migration has been created. Let's go in our migration. Over here, add some columns, table, string, institution, which will be nullable. Let's duplicate this line. Here it will be period. And let's duplicate this. It will be here degree. And here it will be department. Alright. I will clear this out and run our migration with PHP add migrate. Alright. We finished to add our migration. Let's look at data appear in our database.SQLite. Over here in education, and here they are. Alright. Now we are going to look around on seeding this table. So we'll open the terminal and run PHP artisan make seeder and add the name of our seeder called education seeder. Alright, finish to create our seeder. We'll go on migration in seeders, in education seeder. Over here, add some test educations by doing that db table education, insert institution, for example German University, add period, add degree, and then add department. Don't forget to import this db from facade. Alright. Now we are going to add this seeder into our database seeder. Over here, add education seeder class. And then don't forget to import this education seeder from seeders. Alright, now I'll clear this out and run PHP artisan db seed and add the name of our seeder, education seeder. Alright, our seed has been created. Let's take a look that appear in our database in education table, and here they are. Alright, now we are going to walk around fetching from database these seeders and show it in table. Alright, so let's first go in our education controller. Over here, create a variable called educations. which you will get education or education, or the by ID desk. And then don't forget to import this education, all right, from model, and then pass this education variable to our index view. Now let's go on resources, on views, on admin, on educations, in a index.blade.php file, add a for each loop over here. With variable educations as education, move this into our for each loop, and over here add education institution, you see our education here. Let's continue, and over here add education period, and over here add education degree, and over here add education department. All right, as you can see, we finished to display our department from database. So let's stay here for the moment. In upcoming video, we are working around to create a new education. If you have still any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to motivate me to keep going. Thank you for watching.